Men, welcome back to our channel. The Shiba Inu terminates every employee before Shibarium. How is the SHIB faring? Due to the fact that it was first launched as an online joke, the Shiba Inu of today is known as a meme currency. 15th largest cryptocurrency token by market cap. Its name is Dogecoin. Another internet meme that makes reference to a Shiba Inu meme. We will talk about Shiba Inu firing the entire staff before Shibarium in this video. What is happening? News from Shib. Don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel to get our most recent projections and analyses of Shiba Inu pricing. Let's start the video now without further ado. Within the last 24 hours, the cost of Shiba Inu has reduced by 1.5% as the likelihood of another Fed rate hike of 1,090 cents has had a detrimental impact on the Bitcoin market. It dropped by 9% last week and by 24% over the previous 30 days. Yet, it has grown by 35% since the beginning of the year. In spite of today's fall, there is a good chance that SHIB may increase later this week. This is because the Layer 2 network for Shiba Inu, Shibarium, has announced that its public beta will begin this week, ushering in a new era in which the meme coin will provide some real-use SHIBs. The meme token may be about to bottom out before making a solid return, according to indications. Index of relative strength for the token is on the verge of reaching 30, at which time it will fully enter oversold territory, signaling a forthcoming rise. Similar to how it has started to tumble sharply, the SHIB's 30-day moving average is probably 1 week away from falling below its 200-day moving average. Traders should prepare for a rise in SHIB prices in the near future, which the Shibarium news will enable. Shibarium will be used to speed up and lower the cost of SHIB transactions, as well as for the few apps that make up the Shiba Inu ecosystem, such shibaswap. As a result, this ecosystem's appeal will grow, luring more users and adopters to SHIB, along with other sectors of the crypto economy. This will increase demand as a result for SHIB, but the introduction of Shibarium will also cause transaction costs to rise, increasing the amount of SHIB burned. The timing of all of these is ideal for SHIB because the meme currency has recently decreased somewhat more than other significant coins. Many whales have been losing their SHIB holdings recently. The 500 largest ERC20 addresses on February 8 carried roughly $694 million worth of SHIB. However, this fell to $606 million, a 12.5% decline. Notwithstanding this drop, their SHIB holdings are still considerably higher than they were at the middle of January when they were $84.5 million. This suggests that a large number of whales bought SHIB at relatively high prices, which should prohibit them from selling at a loss, may hold its 105-cent level of support. Moreover, SHIBs will eventually be released. SHIB market optimism will likewise be encouraged by the metaverse. Users will be able to use or purchase 100,595 plots of land in this metaverse, a Shiba Inu-based virtual world, each of which is divided into 4 distinct districts: the Growth District, the Defense District, the Technology District, and the Money District. He drives home his transformational strategies. They would have done it sooner. So they acted. Instead, they made these settlements stronger. They didn't vanish. They simply left. It's true. It was. It was. It was. On the stage. There is little question that the debut of SHIB the Metaverse will enhance demand for SHIB, which will serve utilitarian purposes inside the platform. Despite the lack of specific information regarding SHIB the Metaverse. So it is realistic to anticipate that the longer-term outlook for SHIB will be extremely positive. Not only will there be a pump once Shibarium is released this week, but it's likely to increase gradually throughout the year. Current Changelly data predicts an average yearly high projection of 162,480 cents, a 48% increase over the current price. Nonetheless, SHIB holders anticipate even greater price increases in the future, with some holding out for as much as 10 cents or even $1. Several decentralized applications are currently on the Shibarium Layer 2 scaling network waitlist. The announcement was enthusiastically received by the SHIB armies. Thence by the tweets, over 9,500 likes and 3,500 retweets. As of press time, SHIB army sees a bullish influence on the SHIB meme coin. In addition, the introduction of the Shibarium Layer 2 scaling solution will substantially accelerate the token burn process. In addition, the Shiba Inu ecosystem will become less dependent on speculation and more reliant on practical applications. As such, the second largest meme coin by market valuation competes aggressively with other leading digital assets. Satoshi Kusama, developer for Shiba Inu, has unveiled Shibarium, a new website and in-tech system at the end of last month. Kusama advised the SHIB army, however, that all tokens on the Shibarium public beta are for testing reasons only and investors should avoid being cheated. Focus of the Shiba Inu ecosystem is the eagerly anticipated release of the Shibarium Layer 2 scaling solution. The Shiba Inu community may count on more token burns now that the Shibarium L2 is operational in expectation of larger rewards. Despite the recent price decline, several Ethereum-based whales have relocated to the Shiba Inu ecosystem, according to reports. Shib, with a market cap of $6,012 million, is the most popular cryptocurrency held by the top 100 Ethereum whales, accounting for 12% of their total holdings. Given that the majority of investors currently hold more stablecoins, this number represents less than 10% of the altcoins held by whales. A few days ago, one of the world's largest holders of Ethereum began purchasing Shiba Inu for hundreds of millions of dollars. A massive crypto whale has just amassed $118,058,494,944, according to blockchain monitoring service. Etherscan Shib is worth $134 million. The investor now possesses a staggering sum of $19,801,902,912,350. Shib's most recent purchase increased his net worth to over $225.34 million. Representing roughly 40% of the whale's Bitcoin holdings. The majority of members of the Shiba Inu community continue to support lead creator Satoshi Kusama, despite recent upheaval and changes inside the project's inner circle. According to a recent poll, in recent days, the internet has been abuzz with speculation and speculations regarding Kusama and Shib defense team co-leader. Escalating Feud Trophy has made significant claims against Satoshi Kusama in a message shared on Discord, claiming that he had conducted a hostile takeover of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, undermining its decentralization by disbanding the so-called Breeds team. According to Trophies, Kusama fired a number of notable community members, including Shib Queen, who, after announcing her resignation with a cryptic work of art on Twitter, commented, "Everyone is replaceable. There is nothing to worry about since everything is proceeding as planned." The Breeds team was formed to assist community developers in the expansion of the ecosystem. Nonetheless, Kusama's decision to remove them from the Shibarium channel has been criticized by the community at large. Some members have even alleged that the chief developer has a megalomaniacal personality. The team is still on pace to introduce Shibarium, a highly anticipated Layer 2 solution despite persistent internecine conflict. Kusama revealed in a message shared on Telegram that he presently collaborates with numerous teams, noting, "If I only collaborate with one, there's a point of vulnerability.